Now, this is a very interesting one because, as we talked about just now, back then, people were using chains, for example. And then very quickly, there was the invention of total stations where the laser can hit distances a few hundred meters away, even sometimes kilometers away. And then nowadays, what we're finding, we have a lot of drones now. So drones that are survey grade, meaning you can fly a drone now and capture photos, and then software can stitch the photos together to create a model of a site, for example. And then there's also 3D laser scanners where you just put it idle and it will scan in a few minutes, and it creates once again a 3D model of something that it sees. Now we also have that. Okay, the challenge though is the ability to put this data that is captured to use. So to understand the accuracies as well. So for example, when you use a drone, and the model that you get from the drone, you can really only expect it to be at best maybe 100 to 150 mil accurate.
Wow.
Okay.